Hello again, and I today want to talk about politics, not just politics, but about ruling system, which we already have. It's already outdated system, so we need a bunch of new things to correct that thingy. Because it's like going to nowhere with nowadays created system uh, called democracy. We have bunch of other systems like not bunch one other negative system like mm, uh, dictatures of every kind of dictators are like using their systems very well right now. So we need opposite system, I think, like ruling system with one person instead of bunch of persons who can't rule very, very, how to say, in nowadays standards, not past standards that already don't work at all. So what I can suggest you, instead of a government or just bunch of people in it, we make one person who can make things differently by suggesting bunch of very untraditional and bunch of not standard thinking suggestions to the based on creativity, I think, and positivity. So how it works? We have a one person in government who represents our countries, so our regions of democratic nations, which can do many positive innovations and positive, just positive every kind of adjustments in this in his rule time. Okay, I'm maybe sound like promoting some kind of king or some kind of one dictator to rule every kind of country, and it spoils imagination about positivity of that thing, of one ruler thing. So how we can make right choice about this ruler? Just call it okay, I write it down or call it. It's just to normalize things. I call it normat because his role to normalize and adjust everything to normal state. Okay, how we can achieve it with that with his help? First thing first, how to make this person appear instead of many persons. It's in democracy we are just trying to elect leaders. I think it's not necessary step to elect because when we are electing people, we are just making a mistake because a bunch of masses electing some kind of stranger who don't have many qualities in his persona. Uh, he has only representative qualities, but don't have qualities of person who can rule. So, what qualities we can add? I think one of the best quality is not stereotypical thinking, very positive thinking, not very positive, but more positive thinking in his persona, more just more understanding of more complex understanding of how things should be. More philosophically evolved person who can decide not just random decisions, but create his own decision who are based on positive creativity thingy. So he must have a one of qualities is his thinking, how he thinks. Another quality is how he feels about things. It's not qualities of bunch of people. It's quality of a unique person who has a new thoughts, not his thoughts, not remade thoughts or duplicated thoughts from other information. Information giving translators. So not translators, but uh, information spreading devices. So what can we, how we can get such person, and what other qualities he must have? He must have, I think, empathy, other than only qualities of his uh, uh, his thinking and feeling qualities, but it's not so important to only have those. It's this person needs to be. Um, I don't know about educations, how much he must be educated, but he must have um, very kind soul. Not soul, but his kindness is most important thing, and to a bunch of countries and to have a responsibility to not make mistakes like destroy them or just annihilate them step by step, making wrong decisions. So this person must have same thinking, in which he can rule very adequately and very mm, exact how it should be uh, in want of progress instead of degradation of making right, not wrong decisions. So when we have one leader, I think like have a bunch of dictators in a bunch of countries, one leader for each dictated state, and we have one leader for our democracy, uh, our democracy continent. So we have solved one thing about ruler, but how to make decision to that ruler get to the post. It's not simple. We need to choose from personalities and decide which are most correctly represent those qualities that are described. And choosing process is not random process like voting, but most qualities are in that person. Most qualities are most high and have often the most recognizable. which deciding right person in which he can be elected with from qualities, not from just voting. So qualities is simple thingy which we need to implant to make that ruler most most of best of any other person. He need to be bested in those qualities other persons. So that's I think my opinion about how we can change our ruling system for better, because every not major problems will be solved by other institutions that formed as requirements to help that ruler to if it needed. Will be a bunch of small institutions which are representing help for one ruler to make a bunch of different spheres like education, like better not polluted green world, and like better AI integration, better how to solve hunger problems, how to solve medical problems, how to solve too much even problems with people has a habit to multiply. So to not overwhelm planet with multiplying people, and climate changes, multiplying people, and education, and societies to communities. How they he has responsibilities to solve all those problems with help of many bunch of institutions helping him. So that's my system suggestion. If you have better advices or better system, some kind of new ways to represent new system, or just create new system, it's your call. You can just suggest it. I suggested my point of view. You can suggest yours. If you have better thoughts, let's hear it. I think my thoughts not ideal, but they can be start to change our political sphere, which are limited and very unlimited and very positive ruling experience in our days. So that's it. See you later.